Hello and welcome to another tutorial, and today I will be showing you guys how to make a simple resume in Microsoft Word 2010. It's very simple, so let's get to it. Okay, first of all you want to open up Microsoft Word. Okay. And now what you want to do is go to File, New, and you want to go down, and right here it says Resume and CVS, whatever, and click it. And I just want to, if you want, choose what you want, but I want a basic resume. I'm just gonna scroll down here and find the resume I like. So basically I just want a simple resume. So if I like let me see, I like this one, high school student resume. I'm in high school, so I'm gonna click it, double click it, and basically let's take out this box real quick and just click the box and press delete. Okay, so what you want to do is just select that, and you can go ahead and type your information and everything. So my name, it's not my real name, but you know, you get the idea. And then you just want to fill out all of this information, and that's basically it. Thank you for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to inbox me, or you can just ask it in the comment box, and I will get back to you the next day.